do you have a money frog in your home or at your office? He is the bringer of prosperity. And you are meant to point him west, which is the direction of the element of water, which in feng shui is associated with prosperity. When you point him west and you put a coin in his mouth, you're telling him to bring money to you. And so he's pointing west here at Sage Goddess. These are all made of jade. We sourced these in Tucson. I wish we had more. We only have a few. But if you need to attract prosperity and abundance into your life, then this is going to be the perfect tool for you. It would make an ideal housewarming gift as well if you know someone who's just moving into a new home. What a beautiful way to celebrate them and help them attract prosperity in their new space. You'll find these and more at sagegoddess.com.